Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all one of the most requested videos of all the time. Low budget, high protein diet plan for weight loss. With the help of which we'll be able to lose almost 7 kgs very easily. Now recently my lots of clients asked me for a diet plan where they can plan low budget diets but very high in protein. So this plan is your go-to plan. But if you want your personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosmore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306222. Or in the description box given below is a link. Click the link and you will reach directly to me on WhatsApp and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me. So without any delay, let's get started with low budget, high protein diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 7 kgs very easily. Starting with the early morning drink. Early morning drink as in diuretic water, we'll be having either ajwain jeera water. All I've done here is simply I'm using 2 cups of water, adding ajwain and jeera to it. You can also use cinnamon or skip it as per your own choice. Simply boiling it for 4 to 5 minutes and your early morning drink is ready for detoxification and also to remove any kind of excess water retention, swelling or bloating persisting in the body. Second option, if you cannot have this, then you can simply have 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea. It's very easy to prepare in the morning. No soaking, nothing of that sort. Simply use 1 sachet of green tea and your antioxidant rich tea is ready. So you can have this or ajwain jeera water for your early morning drink. Let's proceed towards our breakfast options for this diet plan. Now in the entire diet plan, we'll be using almost 1200 calories throughout the day and almost 80 to 100 grams of protein as well. So I'll be giving you lots of options for each meal out there. For breakfast, I'll be starting with one option which is personally loved by all of my clients recently. Moong dal idli. Now I've prepared the batter of moong dal as you would normally do. Simply soak the moong dal for almost 4 hours and then I'm simply blending it all together. And in this, I'm adding a quick tadka also of rye and curry leaves. Along with that, I'm just using my normal steamer to steam the idlis. But before adding it to the steamer, I'm also adding 1 sachet of ENO to this. It helps to ferment it well and does not cause any kind of bloating at all. So you can use this option for your breakfast. Your healthy and weight loss oriented idlis are ready. I personally love to give my clients almost 4 idlis of this in the breakfast. Along with that, have coconut chutney to give you a boost in your hair health benefits as well. And now we proceed towards our next option for breakfast, which will be of course very easy to prepare and loved by all of my clients. Simple mango raita. Mango is in the season. All you have to do is simply use homemade curd or you can even get low fat curd. Along with that, almost I'm using here 200 grams of curd, adding chopped mango to this. Along with that, I'm also adding some soaked chia seeds to this. And your tasty and healthy weight loss oriented breakfast is ready. Third option is for all of those who cannot have these options for breakfast. They want to have eggs and can have eggs. The best option for you would be to have almost 3 whole eggs in the form of omelette or boiled eggs as per your own choice. But make sure to add very less salt to this. No different kind of masalas need to be added. Simply have it in this way along with 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea or black coffee or black tea. This comes out to be almost 18 to 20 grams of protein in the entire meal options out there, and you can have your tasty and delicious breakfast. And now we proceed towards our mid-morning snack option. If you do feel hunger pangs during this time, I always recommend my clients to have either one fruit of your own choice, be it one banana, be it apple, orange or pomegranate. If not possible, then you can simply have lassi or chas. I've shared the recipe of mint lassi, how I prepare it. It's an anti-inflammatory drink which works amazingly well to remove excess inflammation in the body. Also, it's super easy to prepare. All I've done here is taken a blending jar. To this, I'm adding almost 2 big spoons of yogurt or curd or homemade dahi. Along with that, I'll be adding of course mint leaves, black pepper powder, roasted jeera powder, ice for blending it all together and water. And your tasty and healthy lassi is ready. So you can try out these options for your mid-morning snack. And now we proceed towards our lunch options. For lunch, I'll be giving you again 2 options loved by all of my clients, high in protein and very easy to prepare as well. First option is, if of course at your home usually dal, sabzi, roti is prepared, you can always pick the healthy option of dal and sabzi and curd and salad. But make sure in the roti form you always prefer either one besan chila or you can simply replace it with one moong dal chila. We'll not be having any kind of roti at least during this weight loss process. So we'll be simply having either besan chila, you can have 1 or 2, or moong dal chila. As the batter is prepared in the morning, you can always keep the batter handy, or you can simply have oats roti as well. But no normal whole wheat roti is required in this diet plan because we are satiating our carb level enough. So you can have this option for your lunch, homemade sabzi dal, curd, salad bowl, and of course, besan chilla, moong dal chilla, or oats roti. And now we proceed towards our second lunch option. Second lunch option, I'll be giving you again a rice variety. If you're a rice lover and want to have rice no matter what happens in the lunch, you can always have almost 50 grams of rice. You can pick any rice of your own choice, whatever is prepared at your home. 50 grams of cooked rice. Along with that, you can have, of course, dal, sabzi, chicken curry, fish curry, egg curry, rajma, black chana, white chana, dal, or whatever is prepared at your home. Along with that, lots and lots of curd, dahi. Along with that, of course, lots and lots of salad. Now, this itself is a wholesome meal for you. Avoid adding too much of rice portion in your meal because it anyways helps you not just with increasing your insulin levels but also makes you more lethargic. So you can have this much option for your lunch. And now we proceed towards our simple and very easy to prepare evening snack option which comes between our lunch and dinner. If you do feel hunger pangs during this time, the best option for you would be to have simple and very easy to prepare roasted makhanas. I'm simply roasting almost 20 grams of makhanas. Either you can use a microwave or simply use pan to roast it all. Simply adding 1 teaspoon of ghee, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, roasting it all well, no salt to be added over this. And your tasty and healthy makhanas will be ready for snacking. Helps with vitamin K, E and calcium. And also along with that, you can have 1 freshly brewed cup of green tea, peppermint tea, normal chai or coffee if you like it so, but no sugar to it at all of any kind. And now we proceed towards our dinner option for this diet plan. For dinner, I'll be giving you again 2 options. The first option is my recipe of soya makhani. Yes, it is a replacement for paneer makhani, but trust me, no butter is added to this, no cream, no milk, nothing of that sort. I'm simply using here soya chunks. Soya chunks I've boiled prior. Add to this, I'm adding, of course, little bit of cornstarch, little bit of all the masalas that you readily use. At the same time, I'm just simply roasting it for 4 to 5 minutes. In a pan, I'll be again adding some chopped onions. Green chili and ginger are as per your own choice. Along with that, I'm simply adding the roasted soya. Along with that, I'm preparing a dressing of this, for which I'm using a blending jar. In this, I'm adding paneer, soaked cashews, and water for the consistency. Blending it all together, and your sauce for this makhani is ready without any kind of cream or butter to this. Simply, I'll be adding this sauce and simply adding the sauce to the pan. And as you can see, the consistency of this is pure delicious. At the same time, I'm just garnishing it with some coriander, and your tasty and healthy high protein soya makhani is ready without any kind of butter or cream, and taste is amazingly well loved by all of my clients. So you can use this recipe for your dinner to satiate almost 22 grams of protein to this. And now we proceed towards our second option for dinner. For second option, I'll be giving you a very easy recipe to prepare, which is vegetable sandwich. Use 2 slices of bread for this. Along with that, load it up with lots and lots of salad, cucumber, tomato, onion, lettuce, whatever is available at your place. Prepare it in a healthy manner without any kind of mayonnaise or something. You can simply use green chutney घर का बना हुआ. At the same time, grill it on a grilling pan or in a toaster, and your tasty and healthy delicious sandwich is ready. You can also use almost 50 to 80 grams of paneer for this, or skip as per your own choice, and you can have this sandwich almost alternate days for your dinner. And now we proceed towards a bedtime drink option which comes with your diet plan, of course, which is mandatory no matter what happens. This is make or bake for your diet plan, for which you can have 1 cup of freshly brewed either ajwain or jeera water. Again, it helps to reduce any kind of bloating or excess salt intake throughout the day. Also, if not possible, then you can simply have turmeric tea. All I've done here is simply boil 1 teaspoon of turmeric in 1 glass of water and simply have it for your bedtime drink. It helps to heal your gut. At the same time, also immunity boosting agent is present in this, and definitely great for weight loss as well, and amazingly weighed for thyroid patients as well. So do try to follow the complete diet plan for utmost weight loss. But if you want your personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306222. Or in the description box given below is a link. Click the link and you will reach directly to me on WhatsApp, and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me. And if you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query on any diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming transformations and how my clients reduce weight every single day. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.